Hello there guys, welcome back. And so in this tutorial we'll be discussing on object-oriented programming in nodejs. And so this is what we had in the last tutorial, and I'm going to define a class somewhere around here. So I'll call the class probably controller, and inside the constructor I'll actually want to pass in some functions, and I'll actually want to create these functions just below the constructor. And I'll just start with the first one. I'm going to copy it and paste it there and define that function. And I'm also going to copy this init middleware, paste it down there, and this routes function, paste it down there, and the start server, and last but not least the init static files. So save all of that. Now I'll start with the init static files. So the init static files, I'm just going to cut all of these and paste it inside the init static files. Save that. And for the start server, I'll just cut all of this and just cut and paste it inside that function start server, paste it in there and save it. And for the init routes, I'm actually going to cut all the get and post functions. So I'm just going to just cut all of that, and I'll paste it inside the init routes and save that. So the other function is the init middleware. So the init middleware, I'll just cut all of this and I'll paste it inside the init middleware and save that. And for the init view engine, I'm just going to grab this and I will paste it inside there and save it. And to actually call the constructor to make it working, just below here I'm just going to say new controller, and that's how you actually call a class. And now you can actually go ahead and test it and see whether it's working by saying node controller, just enter, and you can actually go to the browser and check whether it's actually working as before. So I'm just going to say localhost 8081. Actually you need to navigate to the index page probably, and it seems everything is working fine. Now the other thing that I need to be showing you is about views. So let me just delete this. I was working with it earlier. So I'm going to create a folder which I will call includes. Just say include and finish, and inside the include I'm going to create an EJS file. So I'm going to other, click on this HTML file, go to next, and call this header, go to next and then finish. Now go ahead and hit another one which I will call footer. Then click next and then just finish, and expand on your include folder, and try and rename the footer.html to ejs. So I'm just going to change this HTML to ejs and just say okay, and do away with all of this content, and probably just say something like this is the, I don't know, footer, and save that, and rename this to ejs2, and let's grab what we had in the footer.js, and change this to probably this is the header. And so in the next tutorial I'll be showing you how to include a bootstrap and how to work with it. So yeah, brace yourselves. So let's go ahead, and once we have all of that, we need to go to the controller.js, and there's something that we need to include, and somewhere around probably, let's say here, you can actually copy all of this and paste it there, and change this to views, and then probably do away with this and just say path dot join the name, probably, I don't know, supposed to be views. So this views over here. So once you have all of that, just go ahead and save it, and go back to let's say, for example, the register.js. Let's use it in the register.js, and I'm going to say something like angle brackets, percent sign, and then this hyphen, and then say include just say include slash probably a header, and we need to end with an hyphen, percentage sign, and that, and save it, and copy all of this, and do the same for the footer just down here, and change this to the footer, and just save it. Let's go back and start our server. Once we have started our server, let's go back to our browser and refresh that. Let's navigate to the register page, and voila, here you can actually have a nice header and a nice footer. So in the next tutorial we'll be working on that using Bootstrap. So yeah, this is what I needed to show you in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. So catch me in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.